Welcome to the Python programming course. In this journey, we'll explore Python, a language known for its simplicity, clarity, and power. Python has quickly become one of the most important skills in technology today. It's used everywhere, from building websites and automating everyday tasks, to powering artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity. Think of Python as a universal tool, like learning English for computers. Once you know it, you can communicate in many fields. Its clean syntax makes it easy for beginners to start, while its extensive libraries allow professionals to build advanced solutions. By learning Python, you're not just picking up a language, you're gaining access to a world of opportunities in programming and problem-solving. This course will give you the foundation you need to write, understand, and apply Python in practical scenarios. Let's begin the journey. Fundamental terms and definitions. This topic explains the essential words every programmer must know when beginning Python development. Think of it like learning the alphabet before writing complete sentences. Each piece sets the foundation. The base lies in three ideas: interpreting, compilation, and language rules. Interpreting is like a translator speaking live, turning one line of code directly into action. Compilation is like preparing a full book translation in advance, checked and ready before publishing. Lexis represents the words and symbols, like vocabulary in natural language. Syntax represents grammar, rules that decide if sentences are valid. Semantics represents meaning, ensuring the program does what the instructions intend. Together, these ideas define how programs are written, understood, and executed correctly. They matter because without them, code would be like random scribbles, impossible to read or run. From beginner scripts to professional applications, these terms shape every stage of programming. They are the grammar of Python itself. Python's logic and structure. This topic explains how Python organizes its code into clear, readable building blocks. Think of it like designing a house. Keywords are bricks, indentation is the layout, and comments are notes. The framework begins with four essentials: keywords, instructions, indentation, and comments. Keywords are reserved words, like traffic signs, guiding how the program flows and preventing confusion. Instructions are like action steps in a recipe, telling Python exactly what to do in sequence. Indentation is unique to Python, working like spacing in poetry. It shapes meaning and grouping. Comments act as annotations, like sticky notes, explaining the purpose without affecting execution. Together, these elements make Python highly readable, structured, and simple for collaboration. They matter because well-structured code reduces errors, improves teamwork, and ensures maintainability. From small scripts to large projects, Python's logic and structure keep code organized, clear, and efficient. Literals and variables. The focus here is understanding how Python represents values and stores them for later use. It's like labeling jars in a kitchen. Each jar holds an ingredient with a clear, fixed identity. This matters because programming requires us to handle numbers, text, and other data consistently. Now practically, let's declare and print different literals and variables. We'll use the Python interpreter, a direct environment for typing commands and seeing instant results. We assign values like integers, floating point numbers, strings, and even binary or hexadecimal representations. Running the code displays how Python converts and handles each type automatically. The output confirms both the values and the numeric conversions. From integers to scientific notation, variables carry the data we need. Together with PEP, 8 naming conventions, they keep code clean and professional. Without mastering variables and literals, building any meaningful Python program would be impossible. Operators and data types. This topic explains how Python performs actions on values using different operator categories. It's like using tools in a workshop, each one designed for a particular kind of task. The foundation includes numeric, string, assignment, and Boolean operators. Numeric operators handle math, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, powers, and remainders. String operators join or repeat text, turning short phrases into larger or patterned outputs. Boolean operators connect conditions, like logic gates deciding whether rules are true or false. Now practically, let's try some Python expressions to see this in action. We'll use the interpreter to combine numbers, repeat strings, and evaluate logical expressions. The results show calculations, string manipulations, and truth values directly. This demonstrates how Python supports multiple problem-solving approaches with ease. Operators and data types form the core mechanics of every program, shaping logic and controlling execution. Input and output console operations. This topic explains how Python programs communicate with users through text input and output. It's like a conversation at a service desk. You ask a question, the user replies, and you respond back. The foundation is built on print and input. Print is like speaking aloud, displaying information or results to the console. Input is like listening carefully, pausing the program until the user provides a response. Now practically, let's write a small script using both. We'll prompt the user for their name and age, then echo back a friendly message. Python allows us to format the text clearly with separators and type conversions. The output confirms correct capturing of input and display of results. This process makes programs interactive, turning static scripts into dynamic applications. From simple quizzes to real-world applications, I/O operations are where humans and programs truly meet.